What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. We are buying 2.0 right now today. Finally, it's time to upgrade.
Let's go.
I can't tell you what color it is because of the shortage and everything like that, so it's going to be a surprise.
Little secret, I like it.
That's my friend Nicholas right there. We're trying to get a nice car for yourself too. Come see us.
Garber Honda.
There you have it, Garber Honda on West Henrietta Road, and
We'll have some vids of it probably in January coming up.
we'll definitely get some videos off of it. It's coming in January, so stay tuned. Make sure you watch the full video. Don't skip anywhere. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And yeah, 2.0 is coming. It's about time. You guys, I had a poll with the Acura TLX Type S or a TLX A-Spec, and I had a 2.0, but most of my votes were on 2.0. So thanks to you guys. Thanks for the support. We are getting a 2.0. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sign it because you guys want content, right? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get you more content, another build. So
Exciting.
where is it? This is it. All right, we'll do that.
Yeah,
And then put sign here.
down today. We'll lock it in. To your new car in January. Congrats.
My card. There you have it, brother. And I'm definitely. Oh yeah. 2.0, that's coming soon, guys. No color, not yet. All right, I'll show you guys that when the car actually arrives off the truck. That's the best part. So I like that suspense a bit. And yeah.